What the fuck? What is wrong with you?
I knew you didn't hear it.
What you doing, Andy?
I'm trying to cut this fucking thing because we packed like fools.
We didn't come prepared for this. Well, as you can see, we got ourselves a engine crane.
Why did we do that?
Said engine over yonder for the Slobra. Oh, he's making some headway, boys. You only got 3 more to do. Oh shit.
Fucking sweat bees.
So
just went up my nose.
As you can tell by today's antics, we're out here. We finally sourced a motor for the old Slobra. She's not the perfect thing in the world. It's got like 200,000 miles on it, but we heard it run. If you guys remember back in that video.
It's better than what we were working with.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like a Power Stroke.
Nope.
But
Why are my nipples?
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this all open and try to get this engine in the back of my truck. And we'll bring you back on when we fucking feel like it, I guess.
Never.
Ah.
Alright guys, we finally made it through all these fucking things. A key is not a good cutting tool, but in a pinch it'll work.
Now we gotta put it together.
Fuck. Spicy Legos.
Hey, at least they gave us an empty box. Doesn't feel empty. Oh, maybe it is an empty box. Why would they put an empty box in there?
I hate it.
Oh, Jesus. Wish us luck, boys.
Fuck.
Guys, we packed like fucking fools.
Yeah, we
didn't bring the appropriate toolage.
No, we had to go buy this engine hoist last minute, and for whatever reason didn't really think that it was going to be this involved, and here we are now at this random person's yard.
Yeah.
Trying to build this as fast as we possibly can so we can grab this engine and go.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys know this about us. I don't like people. I don't like talking, so I don't really want to sit there and talk to somebody. I'd much rather be on my way. You fucking cock meat sandwich.
So that's how well this is going. So he's setting up the arm dealios, the legs, I guess. We got this one all set up. The bolts aren't exactly as tight as I'd like them to be, but we didn't bring any ratchets. So
that we have these sweat bees that are like,
yeah, they're freaking everywhere, bro.
Dude, this is like, it's a touchy subject because, you know, women. This is rape. What these sweat bees are doing to us right now.
Okay, all right.
I'm not okay with it. Like, I'm saying no. Like, fuck off.
All right, well, we're gonna try to hopefully whip this thing together so we can get this thing in the back of my truck and get this thing out of here. Jesus. All right, boys, we put it together. None of the bolts are tight except for the bolts that hold this on. And
the bolts that hold these supports.
And the supports. We don't have sockets big enough for any of this shit. So wish us luck. We're going to hope that we don't kill ourselves. But it is what it is. So we're going to pull this trans off because the fucking dumb dick didn't pull the damn trans off for us.
We're not going to blow a tranny.
No. That's what Andy does on the side, though. But guys, so far it's going pretty well. Half of our bolts are loose. Don't pay attention to the moving hardware of this fine piece of Harbor Freight machinery. All right, fellas.
Fuck.
That was a pain in the dick. Let me show you what's going on. All right, so as you can see, my pretty truck is now destroyed with coolant and other fluids.
Fluids?
Gender fluid. Ew.
It's a he-him.
It's a he-him just destroyed my fucking truck.
Hey, look. I'm going to commit a hate crime. I just beat a tranny.
Oh my god. Anywho, it took a lot of ingenuity, I'm not gonna lie, to get this in here, because as you can see, we got a ratchet strap gone to each corner because we're in gravel. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried to move an engine on a crane in gravel, but it's kind of like pulling a freaking jack stand over a zip tie. It doesn't happen.
Yeah.
So,
and we backed up as far as we can go.
Yes, like that's...
So even if we were to drop this cocksucker a little bit more, which probably won't do us much, that's about as far as we could go.
Yeah.
And mind you, that's the center point.
Mm-hmm. So he had the brilliant idea. It was literally when we put this down, it was literally on my tailgate. Like there was no, we moved all that with the freaking ratchet straps. We had to start on these hooks and then move to the back hooks once we got it further in.
Let me hear you say it.
What?
Let me hear you say it.
Say what?
The ratchet straps were a good idea.
Ratchet straps were a good idea.
Yeah!
But, and there's a but.
That's schizo retard.
But this has been a horrible experience.
Yes,
I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to cry.
We are leaving a horrible Yelp review.
Yes, for sure. Guy's definitely not getting paid. If you know, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know.
But I'll hand it to you. He had another good idea. Strapping it from the front, pulling it this direction, and strapping it from the back going that direction.
Using our chain to our advantage. Yeah, that chain's point.
Let me just give this thing a shake. Shakes the whole frickin' truck, bud.
Victory!
I think we're good. Now we just got to put this in there.
Yes.
And get the hell out of here for the 5-0 shows up.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, God. All right, I vote, guys. Next time we take Andy's car, because this thing's dripping coolant all at the back. It's making my pretty truck look not so pretty.
Well, that sounds like you may need to see a mechanic. If it's leaking coolant.
Out of the tailgate, bud? And maybe it's because there's a piece of shit 302 back here.
Well, if it's dripping tailgate out of the coolant, then there's definitely an issue that needs a mechanic, not us.
Did you say dripping a tailgate out of the coolant?
Sure. Sure.
I think he's a little too tired, boys. Let's get out of here. So how you feeling, bud?
Beat.
Beat? Look at that pretty girl just sitting in the back.
Hey, Shawty, we got an engine.
Oh, hell. The things I do for this man.
Hey, Shawty, bend over, let me clean my fingers. Whoop, whoop.
But he's gonna be spraying out my bed when we get back, I tell you what.
Yeah. I like how you did not even acknowledge what I just said.
What?
That was like the most vile thing I think I've ever said.
What?
I was like, hey, Shawty, bend over, let me clean my fingers.
Oh, God. What the fuck? What is wrong with you?
I knew you didn't hear it.
Guys, like, I don't think you understand the amount of shit I have to edit out of the videos because he is so ungodly raw and frankly unedited, other than the fact that I'm editing it out.
Hey, Shawty likes it raw.
Oh my, all right. I'll see you guys when we get to where we're going.
We're gonna go clean up.
All right, boys. We made it back with the cargo.
She didn't move an inch.
She didn't. Still, I can shake the whole truck. Oh, it was a cluster, but we got it. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get this sucker yanked out of here and put into storage until Andy decides to spend some money on that car. Give him shit in the comments so we can actually build a race car instead of buying stuff we don't need.
Give us more subscribers so we get paid.
You do get paid.
Oh.
I think I might just tell them what you make.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Okay, we're gonna get back to it. Guys, this is just our freaking luck. It is raining right now. This isn't a quick process. Like, we have to ratchet strap the engine forward just to get it close enough so we can get it on the freaking... I don't even know what to say. What do you think, bud?
Trying to fit out, dude.
Oh, it's slowing down. Let's make our move. Let's make our move. All right, boys. As you can see, got our engine to its new home for the meantime. Anyway, I could not further tell tell you to not buy one of these, because at least from Harbor Freight, because the legs are not nearly as far apart as they need to be. This doesn't extend as far as it should, at least comparatively to the ones I see at work, and they're not like top of the line either at work. They're just better than this. I know it's Harbor Freight, but it worked in a pinch. But as you can see, it's sitting on the arms. It wouldn't even allow us to put a tire under it. So it is what it is, but that'll just sit like that for now. Andy's currently spraying off my truck to hopefully get all the schmutz that we got all over the thing. Oh, Jesus. I don't know how that happened. That sucks.
What did you do?
It's all chewed to fuck.
Oh, that might have been when you were cranking on it. That is right about the spot.
I said it was too close. Oh well, it's a truck after all. Just makes me sad. I wanted to replace these anyway because this is a little wonky and loose.
Well, now we have a reason to.
Now I have a reason to spend money.
Well, she's clean on the inside.
Well, as long as it's not going to be dripping coolant out of the back of the fucking thing, I suppose. Okay.
I'm not going to see a mechanic about that.
Hey, well, it's a good thing I am a mechanic.
Oh, I said a good mechanic.
Oh.
Wah, wah.
Well, this good mechanic somehow built two 800 horsepower Mustangs, so I feel like I did a pretty good job. Why are you a retard?
Because I flipped the thing over the fence and it turned it on and it's just over here spraying.
Oh. You dumb.
Yeah.
But yeah, I hope you enjoyed our antics. This was a riveting experience. 10 out of 10, would not try again. Ooh, it's getting spicy up there. But yeah, I think it was definitely, like I said, riveting. But we got there. The car has a new heart, so we'll see whenever we get around to doing that. Probably freaking 4 years from now, but probably. But yeah, we're gonna finish cleaning up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of a cluster from beginning to end, but
You're telling us.
But yeah, we're gonna go to bed, get cleaned up, and probably get some Taco Bell. So
Yeah.
So I'll see you guys in the next one in 7 to 8 business years. So
Yeah.
Wee.
We'll see you then.
all right, bye, peace.
I like Taco Bell.
Me too.